In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in CapCut. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of things here, so make sure to watch to the very end. So all you need to do is go and select your video like so, and then you'll see this crop tool and we can go and click on this. You can then just resize the edges to select the portion of the video that you want to go and crop. You can also crop to a specific dimension by clicking on the drop down arrow, and you can select your ratio from the list. Now, once you've made your selection, press confirm. Now, because we've cropped this video, you can see these black borders now around the edges. So there's two things you can do. You can either go and resize the video so it fits the full width of the frame. Now, alternatively, you may want to go and change the aspect ratio of the frame altogether, and you can do that by clicking this ratio button, and you can select your dimensions that you want to use. So for example, I could go and change this to a 4:3 video, or I could even go and set this to custom, and then I can just go and set my own custom resolution down here. So that's how to crop a video in CapCut. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.